This is one of the things I like about this event, man. I mean, cover the steez. Look at our beautiful African sisters. I mean, you don't want to miss such an occasion. First of all, how are you guys doing and what are your names?
We're doing great. My name is Nochantego and my surname is Zulu. Yeah.
My name is Kulile Zwane.
My name is Nompilo Ngobo, and yeah, this is me.
I'm guessing this is not your first time, guys.
Actually, my third or fourth time. Yeah.
Actually, my second time.
It's my fourth time, yeah, so all the nerves are at home.
So after coming here again and again, what can you say to the people that have not yet started coming to the Durban July?
Guys, you are missing out. Yo, this is such a vibe. All the cameras are on you. The attention is at you. Just guys, come here. It's amazing.
Save up. Durban July is the place to be.